हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट। वेलकम करती हूँ हमारे चैनल में स्टडी विद सावेराखान। आप लोग के साथ बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ प्रोकैरियोट्स चैप्टर की। तो चलिए जी एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करते हैं। द फर्स्ट MCQs is what is not true about bacterial spores. A. Produced during differentiation of vegetative cells. B. Are heat resistant. C. Are desiccation resistant. And D. May be exospores, and are endospores. So the correct option is A. Produced during differentiation of vegetative cells. The next MCQ is many bacteria are motile due to presence of A. flagella, B. cilia, C. villi, and D. microtubules. So the correct option is A. flagella. The next MCQ is nucleoid is a structure not found in A. Campylobacter, B. Spirochetes, C. Cyanobacteria, and D. goblet cells. So the correct option is D. D is the correct option. The next MCQ is dash as an invagination of cell membranes which help in cell division. A. Fimbriae, B. Mesosomes, C. Nucleoid, and D. Endospores. So the correct option is B. Mesosome. The next MCQ is a student were asked to give a guess about a unicellular organism with darkly stained nucleus. Which of the following can be straight away excluded from the list? A. Paramecium, B. Plasmodium, C. Amoeba, and D. Lactobacillus. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is DNA of bacteria is present in A. nucleoid, B. mitochondria, C. nucleus, and D. mesosome. So the correct option is A. nucleoid. The next MCQ is if one of the following component is missing, bacteria cannot increase the number of its plasmid copies. A. Antibiotic resistant gene, B. Origin of replication, C. Cloning sites, and D. Ligases enzyme. So the correct option is B. Origin of replication. The next MCQ is when tuft of the flagella is present at both the ends and the structure of bacterial cell, then the condition is called A. Atrichus, B. Peritrichus, C. Lopotrichus, and D. Amphitrichus. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which of the following divide by fission? A. Viruses, B. Virides, C. Fungus, and D. Bacteria. So the correct option is D. Bacteria. The next MCQ is a bacterium which has a group of two or more flagella inserted at one pole of the cell. A. Monotrichus, B. Peritrichus, C. Lopotrichus, and D. Amphitrichus. So the correct option is C. Lopotrichus. The next MCQ is the following are sexual reproduction method in bacteria except A. Transformation, B. Transfection, C. Binary fission, and D. Conjugation. So the correct option is C. Binary fission. The next MCQ is which of the following is true about the structure of a typical bacterium? A. It has cell wall. B. It has genetic material. C. It has cytoplasm. And D. All of the above. So the correct option is D. Thanks for joining me. I hope this MDCAT help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.